Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Content Categories template and explore its contents. To install Content Categories, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can take your content to the next level by grouping resources into categories, like articles for new managers or information on available training opportunities. When ready, select Install. Once a template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Find the Content Category model and select it. This model has been pre-configured with properties to store data for content categories, including title, description, and image. The template also adds two pages, Content Category and Content Categories. You can access them in the Pages section from Admin Home. Remember to assign yourself the HRSS role to ensure you have access to these pages. Content Category contains a form for entering information on content categories. Any categories you create here will appear on the Content Categories page. You can create content categories directly from the Content Categories page by selecting Add. The Content Category page will appear in a modal window. In this example, we have created additional content categories for new managers, onboarding, time off, and warnings. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.